When changes in your business create a demand for in-plant space utilization, PortaFab's modular wall systems simplify office and building construction by using pre-engineered components to streamline design, reduce costs, and provide ongoing flexibility. Featuring a wide selection of interchangeable modular systems, we can accommodate a variety of applications in the most cost-effective manner possible. The OmniFlex Wall system is a versatile steel framing system that supports load-bearing applications reaching heights up to 18 feet. Our Series 300 system offers load-bearing capabilities with an aluminum frame and is perfect for applications requiring environmental control. The PortaMax wall system can be used for reaching heights over 18 feet or as a load-bearing wall system. Our 2-inch wall is a non-load-bearing system that is ideal for creating interior partitions or as an economical option for building second-story offices. Buildings can be installed as 2-wall and 3-wall configurations, with or without a roof, to economically make use of the existing space at your facility. Wall systems can also be used to design 1- and 2-story buildings using a load-bearing framing system or by integrating with a mezzanine. A variety of panel options are available for improved durability, thermal insulation, or for added noise control, based on your specific application or requirements. Office wall systems can accommodate numerous window sizes and configurations, including custom glazing options. Multiple door options can be integrated with our wall systems, including sliding doors, swing doors, and roll-up doors to meet a variety of needs. Other elements can be added quickly and easily into your building, including modular electric wiring, climate control, or interior partition walls based on your needs. The Gasket grid ceiling caps off the design and utilizes standard ceiling tiles and lighting systems. Best of all, with PortaFab, a modular office or building can be designed and installed quickly and cost-effectively. Utilizing one of the industry's largest selections of standard components, we offer 30 standard office sizes that can typically be delivered within 1 week of an order, a level of speed that is unmatched in our industry. The flexibility of our modular wall systems is a result of their post and panel design, which allows for easy expansion or future modifications without ever showing that a repair has been made. PortaFab's pre-engineered modular wall systems offer a simplified solution for in-plant office design and build applications. Less time to design, less cost to build, more flexibility. PortaFab, office construction simplified.